Best Amazon training and tutorials. Amazon training and tutorials designed for sellers provide structured knowledge to help you launch, manage, and grow your business effectively. They cover essential areas like product research, listing optimization, advertising, and operations, so you gain confidence in every part of the process rather than relying on guesswork. The strongest programs offer clear, step-by-step lessons, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises. These tutorials guide you how to use tools, interpret data, refine strategies, and respond to marketplace changes. This kind of training ensures you're equipped to perform at a professional level. Helium 10 delivers one of the most comprehensive training systems in the Amazon seller space. Their training includes beginner guides, video course modules, and in-depth tutorials to show how their tools integrate with each part of an Amazon business. Many sellers use Helium 10's trainings to master product research, optimize listings, and drive better results. You can start using Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. You'll get instant access to their full training library and tools, helping you build your Amazon selling skills and grow your business with assurance.